Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a server on Fluxer. So let's get straight into it. Now navigate basically all the way to the left sidebar where your current communities and servers are. Then below you will see add a community, this plus icon. Click on it, and now what you're going to do is basically select the community or join to community. So let's say I will create community. Now what we are going to do is here we can upload icon for the profile picture, then we add here community name. So let's say something like that, and just create a community. It will take a few seconds, and now we have our community right here. As you can see, it's shown right here as a Y symbol. And yeah, basically what you can do here, now you can, if you go here into this middle menu, middle sidebar, you can right click on it, and then here you can also start creating the channels. So we have text channel, voice channel, link channel. So for example, let's create this one. I will do it like that you will see. So it's right over here. Now again, I can create category. So let's say something like that. And it's listed right over here under video. Now I can also do some link channels. We can name this, and then, okay. Let's say like that. Okay. Then what I will do some I will put something in. So for example like that, and we have now our like here, and we can visit site, for example. And yeah, this is basically how you create your server. Now what you can also do, you can invite into this server some members here, so you can invite them, your friends, and so on. You can also have here some settings, so community settings. You can then can create roles right here. So check this video out, which I made about roles and permissions in such things. So yeah, this is basically it for this video. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.